Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is week 13, lectures 25th and 26th, and our today's discussion is about major health issues in Pakistan. In our discussions, we'll cover the points like definition of disease and health situation in Pakistan according to the World Health Organization, impact of the diseases on the lives of people in Pakistan from both economic point of view and social point of view, introduction to major infectious diseases, major infectious and other diseases found in Pakistan, health policies and systems, and some common challenge found in health sector in Pakistan. Dear students, as you know that every country or nation tries to make progress in the world, and thereby they utilize the available natural resources, plus they train their youth, the people, and equip them with latest technology and latest education. Similarly, Pakistan is taking benefit of the natural resources. Also, our youth is playing a very vital role working in the different sectors like education, research, manufacturing, IT, software development, freelancing. Furthermore, we are struggling in enhancing our agriculture sector, but at the same time, the major challenge that confront Pakistan in our way to progress and prosperity are, for example, natural disasters, floods, hurricanes, pest attacks, droughts, severe weather conditions, global warming, and many more that happen frequently in Pakistan. Well, there is another major issue that most of the Pakistani people have to face, and unfortunately, that issue is the health issues in Pakistan. Since Pakistan came into being, the health facilities, trained doctors and nurses, and advanced research was not that much available as compared to the population. But currently, the health issues as increasing population, as uh, contamination, pollution, changing of the living habits, these all factors are contributing in worsening or have adverse effect in the public health. Well, according to the World Health Organization, Pakistan is among the most vulnerable countries which are open to health issues more. For example, in our country, most of the people are facing double burden of the diseases like hepatitis A and B, malaria, sugar means diabetes, tuberculosis, and some other major disease like kidney problems, infection in the stomach, gastric issues. These are the most common diseases. Well, just like the pandemics, just like the natural disasters, these health issues are extremely worst because they are killing the people silently, frequently, and with more force as the casualties sometimes increase more than the casualties happen in Pakistan due to some of the natural disasters. And not just the common people die out of these diseases, but government offices, talented people, they die, and the death of talented people, social workers, scholars, engineers, actually is the death more loss than dying a common person. Well, let's have first the definition of disease and health. According to United Nations WHO World Health Organization, disease in simple words is an ailment, a disturbance in the human body that change the natural flow and function of the body is called disease. Whereas health is the maintenance of the normal features and functions of human body, and their functions is called health. Clear? It means in sense that health is the average better functioning of the human body in terms of the organs, functions, and temperature and other things. Dear students, there are different kinds of diseases. Like, diseases can be divided into the common diseases and infectious diseases. Common diseases like simple disorders, flu, fever, catching the cold, minor allergies. These are the common disorders that happen everywhere in the world due to change of environment, eating some impure food, or certain other reasons. But there are other diseases which may be called infectious diseases, which spread owing to very harmful bacteria and viruses. These diseases not just affect one person, rather it breaks out, they break out, and they prey maximum people, even 1,000 and 100 people fall and prey to them, and likewise they destroy most of the systems, means they affect on offices, factories, and other businesses directly. Then there are the diseases which are short term and the long term. Clear? Long term diseases, they are called chronic disorders and diseases like tuberculosis, diabetes, hypertension. These are the chronic diseases. Well, there is another portion of diseases which is more fatal, and that is the brain diseases. Diseases related to human brain and mind. Clear? You are directly understanding psychic diseases like hypertension, anxiety, Alzheimer, frustration. These diseases are another more silent killers in the world, and especially they born because of the social insecurity, atrocities and cruelty, mistrust, cheating, and the financial issues of the country. Plus, in Pakistan, terrorism, social insecurity, and inequality are the common reasons that the diseases are spreading, and owing to these, people fall into addiction, taking of the opium, heroin, church, white sugar, and many other things. Well, the students, health is actually not possible by medicines. Rather, health is a natural system already incorporated in the human body, that is called immune system. That naturally our body has a shield inside, that when some fatal, some dangerous substance, bacteria or virus attacks and tries to intrude into our body, the immune system, mean the bacteria and viruses already there in our body, or the other antibodies, they start fighting, and if they are succeeded, the attacking germs are killed. But it often happens that owing to lack of nutrition, energy, owing to lack of diet, our immune system is not stronger as to fight against those germs, and resultantly those germs take control of the cells in the human body, and they start spreading infections. The most common example is the COVID-19 that has currently threatened every person on the planet, whereas partially dengue virus hit Pakistan and some other countries in the world. Well, similarly, there were other viruses like Congo virus, bird flu, and other viruses kept threatening the people. It is required then that medicines and good diet strengthens our immune system, and finally the immune system takes control over the fatal germs and the person recovers. In this precise note, we came to understand that diseases are the disorders that happen in the body, and to control them, we need to sustain our immune system with proper diet and proper medication. Thus, the lives can be saved, and people also can be saved from social and economical implications. Thank you very much.